Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're excited about that upcoming concert or game and want to make sure your Ticketmaster tickets are easily accessible on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to save your Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet in 2025. This feature is a total lifesaver. It lets you breeze through entry without fumbling for your phone's apps. Plus, with Apple's latest updates, it's even smoother than before. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Ticketmaster app installed on your iPhone. Head over to the App Store, search for Ticketmaster, and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to get started. Next, navigate to your tickets. You can do this by going to the My Events section or searching for the specific event you're interested in. Once you find your tickets, look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet, or something similar. It's usually right there on the ticket details page. Tap on that, and you'll see a prompt to add the ticket. Apple Wallet will then open automatically. You'll need to confirm the addition by tapping Add or Continue. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025 to ensure compatibility. After that, your ticket will be saved securely in your Wallet app, complete with all the event details like date, time, and venue. One quick tip. If you don't see the Add to Apple Wallet option, double-check that your tickets are digital and eligible. Also, ensure your Apple ID is set up correctly. And there you have it. Your tickets are now just a swipe away. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.